Alright, so got some more parts in for the orange car. Puppy dog's really loving me here. So these actually came today, which is kind of cool that FedEx delivers on Sundays. We're supposed to be here on Saturday. So as you can tell, Hotchkis suspension. I ordered the sway bars and a couple other things. So some of this tape cut off in here. I do this. Getting lucky here. Oh boy. Okay, so got this thing open. Let's take a look. Alright, so I ordered the Aci Super Dampener right here. Also ordered the 2 belts that you need when you run that, because they're a different size than stock. Alright, now I like to have a couple of these on hand for some ACT clutches when I have extras. I got the kit for the hood, so we're going to be able to install those. I won't have to use this anymore, so that's going to be nice. Alright, here we go. We got some information here. Let's just put that over there. Not much table room in here, guys. Just bear with me. Some sealant. I got this O-ring. This goes in the lower part in the engine right here. And I ordered some assembly lube just so I had some. Not quite sure what they're for yet. Might be something with the sway bars. Now look at this. Here we go. I got a spare set of brake pads for the 4 pistons that I have on my other car, just because they finally have them in stock. I also ordered the clear cover to put on the engine, because I'm going to be installing the MPX timing gears on the engine, so we'll be able to see that stuff. Here is the steel brake line hose kit. So we're going to be flushing the brake fluid and everything in the system. For now, that's what we're going to have. It's amazing how much those things went up in the last couple months compared to what they were. Alright, here we go. This looks like our bushing kit and the end link kit for the sway bars. Let's just get that set down here. And this is sway bars. So here we go. Brand new ones. Oh, look at that. Instead of it being white, it's actually a gold now. So this is the front. Nice big thick one. And our rear sway bar. Double checker in here. Man, I never get anything extra. Alright. So, not quite sure what's going on with the other ones yet, but I might be selling the old set that I had. So, I'll just keep this box to repackage them in. Since we got this here, we can open up this here now. See if this thing's taped shut. Nope. Hey pups, how you doing? All right. Building a big engine, better have big stuff, I guess, to go with it here. So, bunch of information. Give you a nice little sticker. Some cardboard spacers. Let's see. I think you have some bolts here for assembly. There's all kinds of packing on this thing. All right, so there we go. This should help with the vibrations that are caused. Okay, look at this, man. What else could you ask for, I guess? All right, so that's going to be something different to put on. I thought it was a good idea to have that because of everything else that is being done to this engine right here. So I never had one. I never seen what was inside the box. So I mean, that kind of helped out there, seeing what was in here. All right. Oh my goodness, everybody's got to be in here. Look at this. Hi. We're almost done. Just got a couple more parts to check out. Okay. So there's the Aci dampener. Supposed to, like I said, it's supposed to eliminate some of the vibration. So I'm really curious to see how that's going to work on an engine that that has the balance chain shaft assembly removed. Yeah, I forget what's in here. Let's see what we got right here. What else did I buy? It's pretty bad, ain't it? Oh, okay. These are the brackets for the hood kit, the hood shop kit. So we can work on getting that assembled and installed also. Here we go. Here is our hoses. Let's see how I have these boxed. Makes me wish I had bought a couple sets of these back when I bought the last one, because I think they're about $40 more now compared to what they were less than a year ago. So there you go. January 26, 2021 is when these were packed up. They give you the brackets. Here's all the hoses, front and rear. So we'll be replacing all of them and getting the brake fluid system bled out, just like something that needs to be done on all these cars because of how old they are. Yeah. There we go. Here's the clear cover. I don't know if anybody's actually got a chance to see any of these yet. I mean, it looks pretty nice. I mean, there's a little bit of scratching in there, so it's going to be something to see how it works. It says you have to trim a spot if you're using the gears. So you know, use mild soap to clean, no chemicals. So I mean, they give you nice nice little stickers and stuff with it. I'm not really a sticker fan, but you know, maybe I'll be able to find a use for them. So there's that. Let's see what some of this paperwork looks like. It goes with the sway bars here real quick. I've never had a set of these new. Every single time I've had one, they've always been used, already installed on a car. So, all right. I guess this gives you what the sway bars are. Grace pack. 21st gen Camaro sway bar bracket. I guess that's what the one bracket is for the rear, possibly. Look at that. Give you some stickers. I guess if you want, you can order some t-shirts or something. Basically, front and rear stabilizer kit. Nice little instruction booklet. Lots of photos going over the install. I've installed a couple sets of these now, so I mean, it's nothing new to me. It's just a lot nicer now. I'm not having to, you know, basically sand down and paint the other ones. So as much stuff's going into the car, just trying to do everything with new stuff that I can. You know, that way the car's done together right and nice. Like I said, it comes with the 2 belts, because the pulley, I guess, is a different size. Just some lube, some assembly lube, and the gasket. Fastener lube for ARP stuff, because I got to put the head on, so I'm going to be you know, just so I have that stuff on everything. It looks like this here is going to be my receipt. Yep. Just all the parts of the car, or parts that I ordered. So really needed one of these. I can't believe how much these things cost, but I mean, that's everything right there that we got. So thanks Modern once again for coming through. So we're gonna work on getting everything here installed on this car, hopefully tomorrow. You know, we got a lot of stuff yet to do. Got to finish up the front end. Been tearing some stuff apart, which is probably going to be a little bit of a giveaway video on some of the stuff that was getting done. So hopefully this doesn't give away too much, but we're going to get all this stuff installed this week, and hopefully we can work on getting our engine out and assembled. And yeah, we got a new ACT clutch to go on that, all new timing gear, you know, IRP head studs. Just get everything cleaned up, get everything assembled. You know, get the trans on, get all that stuff nice, get it sitting down in here, work on bolting up the turbo, getting the full exhaust installed. We're not far from that. Getting this pulled back out, getting a condenser installed. Just a bunch of different little things that we're going to be getting done on this. But thanks for checking this one out, and this last Modern delivery, guys. We'll see ya.